Hey, how's it going? Let's go over how to draw Amazing Digital Circus. We're gonna go over how to draw Ragatha, step by step for beginners, all right? So follow along with me. First thing we're gonna do right here is we're gonna start with the bottom of Ragatha's face. So it's gonna go down, curve, and we're gonna carry that curve all the way through a bit here, and then pull up. All right. Gonna pull a line up here for the edge of her hair, and then a line over here for the other edge of her hair. Her hair is like the most distinguishing thing about her. So I'm gonna go out, in, up. It's gonna be kind of like made of yarn. Up. It's kind of like these U shapes. Up, up, up. Right there. Right at the front. That's her bangs. Gonna go over here now, bring a lock out the edge, up right here, out over here, in, up, curve over here in the eye, because it's got like a button for the eye, dot, 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 put those 4 dots, and then I'm gonna connect them and a cross right there, like they're sewn in, right? Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this kind of stuff. If you like, Amazing Digital Circus, it's gonna make a huge difference in the algorithm, so definitely hit that like. Gonna go right here, draw a triangle for the nose. Let's go over here to the eye. We're gonna draw like hee eye, like hee. And then over here we draw a smiley for the mouth. Right on. So far so good. Gonna go to the top of the head over here. Line across. Curve at the top. Out. Out over here. Curve over here. Over here, down, up. Out over here, down, up. And we're gonna connect that over here, right there. Those locks are coming down. Down over here, in. Over here, in. And over here, in. And up right there. Let's go over here and along the edge, kind of like to make some kind of locks in the back. Now let's draw the bow. That's the middle of the bow we just did right there. Gonna pull up, down. Gonna go over here, up, down, line, line, right there. Okie doke. Gonna go over here to the body, circle, circle, right there for the upper torso. Curve down. Her body's almost broken up like a like a bug's body or something. So that's one segment down right here. Curve over here. Don't forget, by the way, like I said, check out the cool free stuff in the description. There's a free how to draw cute ebook. There is other playlists you can check out. I'm gonna make an Amazing Digital Circus playlist soon. Haven't got around to it. I'm gonna do it today though. Okay, so go take a look at that, see if it's there. And let me know if it's not there, okay? And if you say hi to me, by the way, in the comment section, I'll reply to every single comment. Every single comment, I'm gonna reply, even if it's like on a video from like 5 years ago. Down right there, try me, okay? Test me. Well, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Right there for the bottom of the skirt. Line over here, 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 line over here. Line over here. Curve for the shoulder pads. Out for the arm. Let's go over here, out over here for this arm. Curve over here. Thumb. All right, so far so good. Are we following that along? Let me know if it's too fast or too slow, whatever. Just let me know in the comments. either way, or if I'm doing good, just let me know in the comments. Circle right there for the hand. Curve right here for the thumb. All right, let's go down to the foot, and our foot's just like a doll foot, right? Over here on this side is the other doll foot. Line across, line across. And we're gonna fill in the shoes on the foot. I just think it needs to be filled in. It's really dark. Like usually the rule is if anything's dark, you fill it in, like close to black or like dark purple or something. You can fill it in. Like the impression is like, oh, that's dark. Let's go over here now. Boom, boom. The little thing sticking out of the shoulder pad. I didn't put that there before. And then the collar right here as well. So we're gonna go right here. A U shape and a U shape. A U shape covers a lot of stuff, by the way. I've noticed like U shapes, putting them everywhere, it makes a huge difference. Okay, so let's go into the patches on the dress here. So you can pick any point that you want, but I'm gonna start over here and I'm gonna try to draw the line thinner if I can. Square, right there. Let's go over here now, just picking a random point. Square right there. Over here. Point over there. Line over here. And line over here. Out over here, down. And over here, down. All right. And that's pretty much it. If you want, you can maybe draw like some strands in the hair, but it's not necessary. I don't know, like lines like this. It's like yarn, but you don't really have to, honestly. It's up to you. And there you go. Whew. Hopefully you found that good. What I want you to do is I want you to share the video if you can. Sharing is caring. And what else I want you to do? I want you to stay here and we're gonna do another video together, okay? Stick around right now and we're gonna roll into another video so that you can get another lesson in, okay? Let's do another lesson together right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's gonna be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.